I keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. First, take a quick look at this anime short film I created, and after that, I'll show you exactly how I made it.
I can't lose. I always win.
Stop it! It's already too late, kid. Go home.
I am not going until you train me, Coach.
Tomorrow morning, 5 a.m. sharp. Don't be late.
Oh, I won't be late, Coach.
So, what combinations are we learning today, Coach?
Give me 50 push-ups now.
Push-ups. What about some punching practice?
Push-ups now!
As you command, Coach.
98, 99, come on. 100. Come on, one more, finish it. Give me 10 more. Come on, you can do it.
Coach, I can't, my arms are done.
Don't you dare drop. Proper push-ups. Down, up, again. First rule of this sport, you don't give up. No matter what happens, you never give up.
Yes, Coach. Got it. No giving up.
Good. Now let's do some training. Hands up. Chin down. Jab, cross, hook, hook. Move after.
That was simply amazing, right? And let me tell you guys, in today's age, creating stunning AI anime videos like this has become incredibly easy. You can now create your own anime short films or even full web series. It all depends on your imagination and creativity. For this example, I use Seedance 2, and the results are right in front of you. The visuals look absolutely cinematic, the animation feels smooth, and the overall quality honestly looks next level. And here's the crazy part. I was able to make this within just 1 hour. Yes, so just imagine what you can build with a little more effort and creativity. You are truly only limited by your imagination. Now today, I will show you my entire process step by step, and I'll also recreate the images and videos alongside you so that you can easily follow along. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, to get started, simply click on the link in the description and open this website. I use Visina AI for both my image generation and video creation. Now from here, click on Open Studio and it will take you to this interface. And as always, I use the grid generation method to create my scene images first, and then I turn them into videos using Seedance 2. But before creating the scenes, the first thing I did was create the characters. So let me show you exactly how I did that. Go to the Characters Lab tab, and here you can see my main character Logan, the coach character, and also Logan's training version. Now creating a character is actually very simple. If you already have a reference image, just upload it here. Then give a short description of your character, choose the style and mood, and if you want more control, you can even turn on the advanced settings. After that, simply click on Generate, and that's it. And once your character is ready, make sure to save it so you can use the same consistent character across every tab inside Visina AI. Okay, once your characters are ready, it's time to create the scene images. For that, go to the Director's Cut tab, and from here you can choose the model, either Gemini or OpenAI. For this video, I used Google Gemini. Then make sure you are on sequence mode, and after that, choose the grid size according to your preference. For the first scene, let's go with a 2x2 grid. Now to add your character, click on this plus icon, then go to the Characters tab and select the character you want to use. In my case, I'm adding Logan. After that, simply write a short description of the scene you want to create. You really don't need to be super detailed because the AI handles most of the heavy lifting in the back end. Then choose your quality settings, aspect ratio, and finally click on Generate. And that's it. And here is the output. You can see how easy that was, right? The character consistency is there, the scene consistency is there, and it is generated generated a smooth cinematic grid automatically. Now imagine doing this one image at a time. You would probably spend so much time regenerating images just to maintain consistency. But here, you can generate everything together in one go, which saves a massive amount of time. And if you want, you can also extract each individual image using the extract option, as you can see here. But in my case, I'll be using Seedance 2 to turn this directly into a video, so there's no need to extract the images separately. You can simply use the entire grid directly, which is exactly what I did. Now let's create the next sequence where the coach enters the scene. So first, let's add the coach character image from here. And after that, I also want to add the previous sequence image so I can maintain proper scene continuity between the shots. Next, in the prompt section, I'll give it a simple prompt like this. And one really useful feature here is that you can mention specific characters directly inside the prompt by using the @ symbol. So once everything is ready, simply hit generate. And here is the output. Wow, you can clearly see that the scene consistency is still perfectly maintained, which is extremely important when creating cinematic AI videos. And honestly, this is exactly the kind of result I was looking for. So yeah, by following this same technique, you can create all of your sequences one by one. As you can see, I created all these shots using the exact same workflow. It's honestly very simple, very easy to follow, and it makes the entire filmmaking process so much faster and smoother. Okay, once the images were ready, it was time for the easiest part, turning them into videos. So let's switch over to the video section, then make sure Seedance 2 is selected, and also make sure the reference to video option is enabled. Now let's turn our first sequence into a video. First, click on the reference images section. I'll start by adding the main character image, which is Logan. After that, I'll add the first sequence grid image. Now here's something very important. For Seedance, your prompt needs to be very detailed. You cannot use short prompts like we did for image generation, otherwise you'll most likely waste your credits. So instead of writing everything manually, I use the Prompt Lab feature, which is honestly one of my favorite features inside this platform. So go to Prompt Lab, then first add your character image for the scene. After that, add the sequence reference image, in this case, the grid image. For the output type, select detailed and then choose the duration. I'm going with 12 seconds. And if you want cinematic cutscenes, you can enable that option as well. I personally want cutscenes, so I'll turn it on and set the cutscene count to 5. Next, in this section, simply give a short description of the scene you want to create and then click generate. And that's it. Now the AI will analyze your character image, the sequence image, your prompt, and all the inputs together, and then automatically generate a highly detailed prompt specifically optimized for Seedance 2. Honestly, this feature is amazing, so once your prompt is ready, simply copy it, head back to the video section, paste the prompt, choose your settings, and finally click generate. And this is the output it created.
I can't lose. I always win.
Amazing. You can feel the determination in the scene. The punches actually feel powerful and purposeful, and the character has real screen presence. This is exactly the kind of cinematic quality that most AI video generators simply cannot create right now. And honestly, I was very impressed with the result. Now for the next scene, I followed the exact same process. It's actually very simple. Go back to Prompt Lab, then add your materials, which includes the main character image. In this case, I also added the coach's image as an additional character reference. After that, add the next sequence grid image here. Now in the description section, you can simply tell the AI to continue or extend from the previous sequence, and it understands the context automatically. Then explain what you want to happen in the next scene. In this example, Logan is punching, and then the coach walks in and asks him to stop. You can even add dialogues if you want. Once done, click generate and wait a few seconds while it creates the optimized prompt for you. Then simply copy the prompt, go back to the videos section, add your reference inputs properly, paste the prompt, and hit generate. That's it. And here is the final output. Amazing, right? So yeah, this is basically the exact workflow I used to create all the scenes for my anime videos. It's honestly very easy once you understand the process. And after everything was generated, I imported all the clips into CapCut, did a bit of editing, added some filters, music, and effects, and that was pretty much it. Pretty easy, right? So what are you guys waiting for? Go ahead, try this workflow yourself, and start creating some amazing AI cinematic content. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.